Look out! Hello, boy.
Yeah.
You got a problem?
Hello there. That horse doing all right? I'm happy to stable that for you. That's a good horse.
It's all right, boy. You'll be all right. Yeah, yeah! What's up? You're all right, boy.
How you do?
Good God, hell no. Okay?
This ain't a place for fooling around with no weapons. No need to have that thing to hand.
Good to see you again, mister. Liberty is worth every penny. Take care now.
Well, hello there. Hello there, mister.
You ranch hands ought to learn how to take a damn bath.
Boy.
Howdy.
Okay, boy. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. You're okay, boy. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Easy, easy.
Hey, boy. Hey! Who's there?
It's Arthur. Wondered when you'd roll back in.
Easy now. Hello, Arthur.
Well, I asked Uncle to chop wood earlier, but of course, he blamed his back.
You're sounding good.
What you doing, Tilly? Nothing, Miss Grimshaw. That's right, nothing. You're useless. You're worse.
Keep your eyes peeled, Marston.
Hello, Arthur.
Hey,
Mr. Morgan.
Hosea, how are you?
Hey, Arthur.
Don't tempt me, you repulsive little maggot.
I love you too.
Mr. Morgan, you're quite a sight.
What's wrong?
You're revolting, and you'll get all of us sick. Come with me.
Oh, I'm sort of busy right now.
I wasn't asking. I'm telling. My camp, my rules. Come on. Get.
Here's some money for your troubles.
Why, thank you, kind sir.
Arthur.
Evening.
Hello, Uncle Arthur. I want to catch fireflies tonight.
Hey! Need a hand with your horse?
Sounds good.
Shit. All right, boy. Hey, mister. Yeah.
Did the university send you?
Excuse me?
Because if they did, they can get lost. I have never been so insulted in all my life. Really, laughed at. Balderdash.
What are you doing?
Are you quite certain you're not a spy?
A spy?
Those wretches will do anything to destroy me. My theories are correct, and I can prove it.
What theories?
I am the leading amateur paleontologist in the nation, and not one university will hire me because, unlike them, I actually have ideas.
You're a what?
I study dinosaurs. You know, big lizards.
Are they real?
Of course they're real, you nincompoop. And everywhere.
Everywhere?
This state was once a vast, shallow sea that had the most incredible animal that could walk, swim, and fly. Quite unique. I call it Totalisaurus. Just for now. I'm trying to gather all the evidence. Miss Deborah MacGuiness.
Arthur.
Good to meet you. Could you give me a hand here, please?
Of course.
Yeah. Listen, if you find any of these bones around the country, send them to my homestead at Furwood Rise in Cumberland Forest. Or mail me the locations. I'll reward you handsomely for your efforts.
Sure. Why not?
And we'll be proving a lot of stuck-up buffoons very, very wrong. Which, trust me, is the very best thing about science. Good day to you, sir.
Agora. É isso aí. Galera que estiver visualizando essa gameplay, eu peço pra deixar o like, não vai custar nada, apoiem o canal. Estamos aqui com o Arthur Morgan. E também quem quiser apoia o canal, ajuda o canal aí, galera. Bom, aqui hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan em Red Dead Redemption 2. É isso aí, galera que tiver. Vamos continuar aqui as aventuras de Arthur Morgan. Que flor é essa? Mil folhas. Vamos nessa missão aqui do Reverendo Swanson.
Let's go, boy. Yep.
Vamos lá. Uma missão secundária aqui de encontrar dinossauros. É Margaret Rancher, sei lá como chama, esqueci, depois vou lembrar. Missão daqueles colecionáveis, galera. Essa parte do mapa ainda não explorei. Esse vai ser meu cavalo permanente no jogo. O melhor cavalo que eu comprei.
Good job.
Vamos ver. Porcos. Porco da China. E esse aqui.
Yeah, okay, boy. Swanson, you hear me?
Vamos ver se o Reverendo Swanson tá aqui.
Reverend, where are you? Reverend!
Good morning, mister.
Reverend
Morning. Swanson! You here,
Swanson.
Reverend? Swanson, you in here?
What's the hold up? How you damn hand?
Morning.
How you? All right. Wait.
Okay there?
Reverendo Swanson.
Mr. Morgan,
Ai, tá
took your
bêbado.
advice, sir. I took your advice.
Then your God has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
Aquele que
I
nunca
took your
pecou.
advice,
Ó.
sir. I have
Tá
removed
bêbado, Reverendo
myself
Swanson.
from Morpheus's
Esse é o famoso Reverendo
embrace.
Swanson, galera.
No more shall I sink, sir. I am free. I am free.
You don't seem
livre.
free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't
Gente,
finished.
Reverendo.
Look at him. He's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just want him to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends.
Não
Don't make
somos
no
amigos.
mistake on that subject. Now, secondly, he can't hardly see, let alone reason.
Now, reasoning ain't never been one of my strong points neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along? These are good men, Arthur. They're children of God.
Ah, estão jogando truco, kart.
Children of God.
Oh, shit.
How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
Jogar.
Sure. I'll play a few hands.
Well, sit yourself down then. I'm Luther. This is Marvin.
Fortunate for you both for being gentlemen about this.
Same goes for you.
Olha, a primeira vez que estamos jogando cartas.
Don't seem like the likeliest of friends.
Don't mind me saying.
We go a long way back.
Deixa eu ver.
And now you're his chaperone?
I guess it's something like that. Can we play?
He can't be no real clergyman. He committed about 5 cardinal sins just in that chair you're sitting in.
I think he used to be. He's drifted a little in recent years.
Drifted.
Life is a challenge to all of us.
Can you imagine him at the pulpit? If he could stand out.
On the fourth day, he turned water into whiskey, and I don't remember much after that.
Vamos ver qual carta tem.
He's a decent fella going through a bad time. Disrespect him again, and you'll find yourself in a bad time, too.
All right, all right. Just trying to have a little fun here. It is a game after all, mister.
Yeah. I'll
Tô
check.
aprendendo as mecânicas aqui.
Check.
How about that?
Huh.
There you go.
Hardly a big finale from
Eu ganhei, ganhei.
Not looking good.
Things are definitely looking up.
Hellfire.
Ganhei a primeira.
Come to me.
Desafio de apostador.
Wish I'd got your friend to bless my hand before he passed out.
Sometime
Vamos lá
before we
ver.
all grow old would be nice.
Sure.
Here. I'll call.
Vamos ver as cartas.
Check.
No.
I check.
I'll check.
You're not one of life's risk takers, huh?
Okay then.
I reckon you're full of shit.
Okay.
Gonna start small here. Call. Let's see then.
Okay. Here, look.
Sorry to do this, fellas.
Oh, that's
Ô
fair
louco,
enough.
2,76 maldito.
It all counts, huh?
Shit.
Vou jogar mais uma.
Will you button it?
Sorry about that. That's what I got.
You're bluffing.
Agora sim.
There.
Somebody put on his big boy pants this morning. Hmm?
There.
This ain't what you call finishing strong.
Ganhei, yes!
Not much I can do about that.
Yes, come on. Gentlemen, this is getting too rich for me.
Sit down.
Oh, I'm done, friend.
Oh,
It's
it's all
been a
right, come on.
real education. Come on, Rip. Where is
Okay.
he? Where'd he go?
Who?
The Reverend. Where it? Excuse me, gentlemen.
Excuse me.
Reverend! Reverend Swanson! Where'd you go?
Reverendo Swanson.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. You see a drunken idiot priest wandering about?
Sure, we saw him, smelt him, and avoided him. He went that way, I think.
Thanks.
Reverendo Swanson.
Swanson! Hey, Reverend! Reverend! Mr. Morgan! A hand here, please!
O que tá acontecendo?
Get your hands off him!
You'll keep. You stay out of it.
Get your hands off him now, you son of a bitch!
What the hell is your problem?
He's with me. You,
Oh my God, you killed him. I'm gonna get the law on you.
Espera aí, amigo.
get back! I said stop, damn it!
Okay, okay. Please, don't hurt me.
You're a dead man. You understand me? Good. Get the hell out of here.
Yep. I won't tell us.
Now, don't go bleeding about this to no one. Promise me.
Opa, eita porra. Ah, caralho, de missão.
Oh my God, you killed him. I'm gonna get the law on you.
God damn it. Hey, you! Get back here! You better stop right there. Stay away from me! Stop, you son of a bitch! I said stop, damn it!
Okay, okay. Please, don't hurt.
Tell anyone what you saw back there? You're a dead man. You understand me?
Yep. I won't tell a soul. I promise.
Good. Get the hell out of here.
It's the last thing I needed.
You're a sad case. Reverend!
O Reverendo
Get
Swanson.
off the damn tracks!
Reverendo.
Hey, Reverend!
Reverendo. Caraca, velho, tá indo nos trilhos do trem.
Come on! A friend! It's just a simple mistake. You can still be saved. Hi.
What have you done with your foot? It appears to like this place.
Nossa, cara.
It wants to stay.
Get your foot out of here! Twist your leg, you drunken bastard! Get it! Come on!
Vamos, gol! Nossa, cara, que loucura.
Oh, no, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like
There
that?
was
Melhor
a
apontar daquele
goddamn
jeito.
train, you crazy bastard!
Nossa, cara, troca de um
Have I
trem.
been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I wish I was different.
Let's get you home.
Vou levar você pra casa.
That's a wonderful idea. I could have tea with Margaret.
Margaret, who's Margaret? What?
A Margaret, quem é Margaret? Oh my god. Reverendo desmaiou.
Here.
Ô, coitado do reverendo.
Amen. Don't mind if I do.
You shut up. Hey, you! Slow up now.
I ain't no fool. I'm gone.
Oh.
Nossa, reverendo.
Margaret.
All right, easy now.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Wonderful.
Mal. Tá cheirando mal, né?
Boy.
Hey, Uncle. How did I miss all the fun?
I was wondering when he'd show up.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do.
Thank you, Arthur. I should have known. Get that fool back to his tent to sleep it off.
The golden boy.
A cara do Reverendo.
Too easy on him, Arthur. You better sleep your way to salvation, my friend.
Deus é a sua salvação, meu.
What happened?
Just usual.
Só o de
Poor
sempre.
bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
Vou ficar de
He
olho
was
nele.
lucky this time. Real lucky.
Hey, folks.
Hi. Hello, Arthur.
Is the boy behaving himself?
For the most part.
Okay, I'll leave you two to it then.
All right then, Arthur.
I'm sorry.
Sadie?
What am I doing here?
O que é isso aqui? É do Reverendo? Bíblia do Swanson. Nossa.
Another day down.
Get up.
What is it?
Ah, it's nothing.
Well, who is... Let me sleep. Arthur Morgan. Faring well, I hope. No.
Good evening. You okay?
Ah, turma no acampamento.
John? Hey, John. Miserable stock sack of shit.
Nice tongue you got there, lady.
John?
Yeah.
Evening.
Good evening, Arthur.
Hey there, Jack.
I do.
Alright. I tell the truth, man.
Let's get back to my work.
Gentlemen.
Evening, Mr. Morgan.
Escureceu aqui.
Mrs. Adler.
Huh?
Everyone's favorite uncle.
Well, hello.
Small. E aí, Reverendo, acordou?
Reverend.
Take care this morning.
Come on, I thought we were friends.
Did I miss something here?
Take it easy, I'm just needling you.
Arthur, what is this?
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
I guess.
Vou esperar dar 8 horas da manhã.
I can't complain. Glad to hear it.
Conheci uma cientista chamada Deborah. Sei que parecia ser mais louco do que jamais conheço tantos para poder comparar. Queria saber se eu poderia ajudar ela a encontrar ossos de dinossauro e enviou os detalhes para ela.
Good morning.
You good, Abigail?
Morning,
How's
Arthur.
it going? Horrible. Ah, well.
Tem que pagar minha recompensa. Tem um segredo do jogo aqui que poucos sabem.
Hey.
What is it, Arthur?
You awake?
Yeah,
I've
you
forgotten
said
what it was now. You awake yet?
What is wrong? Go to bed, Arthur.
What's wrong, Arthur?
Take it easy, I ain't serious.
This ain't funny.
One night when I was
I'm tired, Arthur.
was potent whiskey, like the waves on the Bay of Biscay. I began to
Reverendo tá bebendo ainda?
roar. My face was red like a lobster, I fell and broke my poor knobster. My watch from my fob was picked, sir. I never is drunk anymore.
Okay, Abigail?
There she is, the Campshire horse. There he is. Arthur.
Quem que é esse aqui?
That last stew I had was really damn good. Glad to hear it.
Deixa eu ver aqui.
I lost Mama's thimble. I was playing with it and...
For now, anyway. What?
I forgot a storybook there.
Esse ponto de interrogação no acampamento.
Hey,
Good morning, Arthur.
Mr. Strauss.
Good morning.
Marston. You could just sit, you know. Morning.
Hey there. What have you been up to, Arthur? You look odd. You want to talk?
I don't know. Just don't feel myself.
Been out a lot.
Sure.
Anything fun?
Claro.
I've been bad.
Sorry.
I've been killing animals just for the hell of it.
That's it.
Well, also killed a bunch of innocent folk. I don't know why.
What's wrong with you, Arthur?
I just get so angry about everything, about how this is gonna end.
Well, it'll only end well if you keep your mind, Arthur. We need you.
É, ué.
I know.
Mr. Marston.
Hi. Arthur? Morning to you.
É legal escutar as conversas do acampamento.
Maybe they're right. I need to confess. That's a business I know nothing about, Reverend. That's between you and God.
Sometimes I feel as if he cared. He would have killed me years ago.
That's a feeling I can relate to.
E seus pecados, referindo.
Arthur. Dutch? Miss O'Shea?
Well,
Senhoria de
feels like
O'Shea.
we are finally getting back on our feet.
You find a buyer for them bonds we stole?
Not yet, but Jose is working on it.
When we heading west?
Soon? I don't know.
Não sei.
Feels like things have changed. The whole world's changed.
O mundo inteiro
They
mudou.
don't want folk like us no more.
E não querem mais gente como nós.
We're being hunted.
We are smarter than them. Only the
Somos mais perto
feeblest
que
of
eles.
men take jobs in the
Porque os homens
government.
trabalham para o governo.
I hope so.
Trust
Espero
us,
que
Mr.
sim.
Morgan. You have to.
They got Micah.
Tem que capturar o Micah. Dutch.
What's going on?
They got Micah. He's been arrested
Oh,
for murder. He was in
o
Strawberry.
Lenny.
It's okay, son. Breathe.
Tudo bem, filho? Eu
They
recebi.
nearly lynched me. They got Micah and the sheriffs in Strawberry. And there's talk of hanging.
Stromberg.
Here's open.
Arthur.
What? The fool
Arthur.
brought this on himself. You know my feelings about him,
You
Dutch.
think I can't see past his bluster to the
Acho que
heart
consigo ver
inside?
o coração por
He's
trás da
a
própria
fine
fúria
man.
dele.
No, I ain't
Ah, o
saving
bom
that
homem.
I can't go. My face will be all
Não
over
posso.
West
Meu
Elizabeth.
rosto está em toda Elizabeth.
He
Estou
would do it for you.
I don't
para eu
think he
mesmo por
would.
você. Não acho que ele faria mais.
Arthur.
Tá tudo bem. O
You
Micah.
okay, Lenny?
Yeah, of course I'm okay.
You don't seem okay.
You take that kid
Não parece.
into town.
Deve esse garoto é
Valentine, not Strawberry.
Valentine, não
Get him drunk.
Stromberg.
And Arthur,
Deixa o bêbado.
no crazy
Nossa.
business.
I've given that up.
And you get Micah out of that jail.
Tira o Micah da cadeia.
Come on, son. I'll get to it, Dutch. Just can't drop everything.
Só não posso largar tudo. Vamos lá, Lenny.
Good boy.
I rode as fast as I could, didn't stop for nothing.
Yeah, you look like you've been through it.
I'm beat. We finally get off that mountain, then this. Micah's got a crazy side off him.
What were you boys doing? You were supposed to be scouting ahead for us.
I kept asking him what we was doing, but he was, "You worried too much, kid. Just some business to attend to, kid. You know how he is."
Você se preocupa demais. É.
He was half soaked before we even got there. Then we ran into some fellas. One of them, Micah knew, drank some more. And this is supposed to be a dry town we're in, too.
Then he shoots one of them. I know how that goes.
Couldn't even tell you quite how. Happened like the strike of a match. The law was on us
Nem
fast, too.
saberia.
They was ready to strangle me up there and then. But I got away.
É uma fumada. É.
You're all right now. We'll take care of it.
So you gonna go get him? I'll come with you.
No, you leave it to me. For now, let's drink some. Forget about Micah.
It was drink that started all this.
We'll just have a couple. Settle you down, then head back, okay?
Okay.
Now, I should
Ora,
warn you,
deixa eu te contar.
me and a couple of the other boys, we got in a bit of a fight last time we was here.
What kind of fight?
Oh, nothing big. No, we kept it clean.
A gente não
All
matou
good.
ninguém. Ih, rapaz, o salão.
If you say so, Arthur.
Legal. Pô, essa missão é da hora, cara. É a missão que o Lenny e o Arthur ficam bêbados. Eu lembro. banco de Valentine.
Hello.
Vamos lá, Lenny.
Hey, mister.
Hello.
Ó o garçom.
Just one or two, right, Arthur?
Of course, just a drink. No big drama.
Já só uma
We'll get
bebida.
a couple beers, please.
You, I don't want no trouble.
You'll get enough
Não,
from
não quero
me.
confusão.
I was
Não vou
defending
causar.
myself.
Tava me defendendo.
You'll be fine. Here, have one
Vai
for
ficar bem.
yourself.
Toma, beba um.
Thank you.
Obrigado.
Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff, but Micah...
lot of crazy stuff.
Já vi muita coisa bem maluca.
Will you shut up?
Be quiet, buddy.
Oh, they're dullards. My lord. You men is dull.
Hey, leave this fool alone.
Leave the fool alone. People been leaving me alone for the last 10 years. I'm bored with being left alone.
Listen, buddy. You're a charming fellow. One of the best. But me and the kid here, we're trying to
Mas
talk.
eu, garoto, aqui estamos tentando falar de negócio, então
Possibly leave us alone.
poderia
No
deixar a
offense
gente em paz.
intended.
Sem querer ofender.
Ain't no pleasing some folk.
É, ué.
Just trying to be friendly.
É isso aí.
Bom.
Bebendo o dia inteiro, hein? Ih, rapaz. Nossa, cara.
Lenny, where are you? You know which way my friend went?
Don't ask me.
Hey, you see my friend anywhere?
Sorry, I don't know.
You seen that fella I was with?
Sorry.
Can't find my friend. You know where he went?
Sorry, no idea.
Hey,
Hey,
amigo.
buddy. Hey, no hard feelings, huh? You ever wonder if life is a brutal waste of time? Lenny! Yeah, I think you're right, partner. Lenny? Hey, Lenny! Lenny, where are you?
Ó o Lenny lá.
What are you doing, kid?
Hello, Arthur. You know what?
Lenny, o que você tá fazendo? Ó, tá bêbado. Ah,
Ain't you never married?
Lord have me. That's the thing.
nossa,
see,
cara.
'cause it... Lenny? Lenny! Get away from me! Now! Hey, shit ain't you? You know where Lenny is? Get him! Get down from there! Lenny, where are you at? Lenny! Are you in here, Lenny? You know where my friend is?
Best ask someone else that.
Lenny! Hey! You see my friend? goddamn
Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to
Nossa,
nobody.
cara.
What did you say?
What?
I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister. Yeah.
Cala a
Shut
boca.
your
É.
mouth, mister.
Nossa senhora! Tá todo mundo bêbado. Ih, rapaz.
Lenny! You bastard! Oh, Lenny! Lenny! Lenny!
How many of you had, pal?
Lenny, where are you hiding now?
Nossa, todos são Lenny.
Found you, Lenny! Been looking all over for you, Lenny.
Do I look like a Lenny to you?
There you are, Lenny.
Lenny? Maybe you should switch to water, my friend.
Hey, my boy.
I'm Clyde. You got
Nossa.
a fellow.
É você é o Lenny, não é? Nossa, velho.
You're a good friend to me, Arthur.
Oh, nossa, cara.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not you again?
Nossa. Uou!
Stop right now, you drunken fool. I said stop.
Nossa! Pegaram o Arthur.
You alive?
Tá vivo?
Arthur!
Arthur.
You alive, Arthur?
Tá vivo? Cala a boca. Oh, shit.
We're all... What did we do?
I don't know.
Oh,
Eu não sei.
You pair degenerates. There's a fine for drunken violence in this town.
Tem multa
You're
por
just lucky no
bêbados
one's
violentos.
killed.
We didn't
Dois, tem
start a
sorte.
thing.
Ei, não foi a gente que começou.
Well, I don't remember.
Bom,
Either you fools got any money? It's $10 and you're free to walk.
Sure.
os dois vocês estão livres. Claro, sure.
Get out of here. I don't want to see either of you around here no more.
Nossa, Lenny. Oh, Jesus.
So, that was a quiet drink?
First one was pretty quiet.
A primeira tava
Yeah, the
relaxada.
first one was pretty quiet.
At least it took your mind off goddamn Mikey.
Well, that's certainly true.
Merda no Mike,
I gotta
isso é
get out of
verdade.
here.
I'm just gonna have a little sit down and
Sentar um pouco e sentir pena de mim mesmo. Uou! Tempo de calmaria. Você pode descansar segurando. Suas vozes não se escutarão enquanto você estiver descansado, sendo um pouco se estiver muito baixo.
Morning to you.
You're killing Tommy out in the street.
Come on, there's gotta be a fight every night in that shithole.
Just
No
show
supposed
some
to go.
respect next time. We've run far worse than you out of town before.
Oh, come on, man. Someone throws a punch, you punch back. Don't bother pretending different.
Good morning, sir.
I wish I could squeeze his eyeballs to mush.
As far as I care,
Hello, welcome.
I need a wash. You got a bath?
I got someone warming it up for you already. Just head down the corridor there.
Tomar um banho.
Can I be of any assistance in there?
Oh, sounds good. Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. Merece um banho.
Just relax. I'll take care of you. I'll be out of your hair in no time.
I don't feel much like talking, if that's okay with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just lie back then.
All right, maybe work on somewhere else now?
Mm-hmm.
Aí sim.
I reckon that bit's clean enough.
Sure.
I reckon you can wash somewhere else now.
Of course.
Of course. Um banho bem tomado para acalmar.
All right, I think that should do it.
Bye, hun.
Imagina um GTA 6 futuramente, será que vai ter isso, galera? Fico pensando, né? As minhas bases estão restauradas.
Thank you for your help.
Well, you be happy to know Benedict Albright was cursing you till his last.
there's so many O'Driscolls about.
Quem falou isso?
You got the look of a pleader. You a pleader, friend?
Just minding my own business.
You looking to prove something here?
Run along. Your mama's expecting you home.
Spread the word. The O'Driscolls are here.
Come on! Let's go!
All right, let's get to it!
You wow, bastard! Jackass!
Yeah! Whoa, whoa! Yeah. Do that, folks. Hey, easy. Please, just stop. Leave me alone, will you?
Vou levar ele pra delegacia.
Hellfire!
Shit! If you have any gold teeth, they're mine! May you be unless there's anyone else that comes at the O'Driscolls.
Damn it! Well, that's something new.
There'll be nothing left of you when we're through.
No! You stop right now!
That's all you boys got.
Hell!
Somebody, please.
Help me!
Howdy.
Hello there.
Valeu, xerife.
Oh, do you have the time there?
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, thanks anyway.
See you later.
Oh no!
Got real bad nerves. I can't work. Can you give me some money?
Matei mais um outro.
I just want to get a drink. I'm parched.
Yep. Yep.
Help a fella out.
Hey there, mister.
Morning.
Hey, brother. Hey, Mr. Arthur. Why are you always so mad? You're crazy. All that shooting. And they said I was crazy. I'm not crazy. Not like you. You beat up the big fella. He once beat me up. I asked for it. You think you're real crazy, mister?
Are you really calling me crazy?
I fought in a war, mister. I did. Sent me strange seeing all them fellas die.
Which war was that exactly?
A bad one, Mr. Arthur. Oh, a real bad.
There's good wars?
I saw terrible things. I ain't been the same since. I get funny. I'll go now. Don't act crazy now.
Não acha como um doido. Ah. Pô, eu vou ter que caçar um animal, cara.
Easy. Pretty good hunt there, boy. Yeah. Now, come on.
Whoa.
Yep.
Can I get you anything?
There.
How kind you are, son. No, I'm fine.
Well, I heard you coughing a lot last night.
Yes. That cold air not helped my lungs, and well, I'll be dead, but before that, I'll be fine again.
Yeah, I hope so.
You know, Dutch did a good thing with you.
Hosea.
Taking on more murderers and degenerates than I care to count, but he was right with you. I didn't see it at first, but I was very wrong. I want you to know that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Arthur.
Ah, Mr. Morgan. You seem chipper. Well, where there's life, there's hope, my friend. And? We've been thinking about our problem all wrong. All wrong. That's all. Meaning? All in good time, my friend. All in good time. Always the showman.
Dutch tá lendo.
Hey, Strauss.
Arthur?
We're gonna run out of meat here soon if we're not careful. Thank you, Arthur. There she is.
Hello.
Acho que eu vou cobrar daquela missão lá, aquele cara perto daqui do porco. Hermit Cruncher.
Oh, hey, Mr. Strauss.
Uncle. Hello, good sir. Yeah.
Vamos ver por aqui, essas redondas eu não explorei, certo?
Yeah, okay.
Opa, tem uma cidade abandonada aqui.
There we go. Hi there, mister.
How about you get out of my sight?
It's all good. Calm down.
Bem-vindo a Limpão. Depois nós pesquisamos a cidade aqui, o que é. O Trisco.
Mister, I don't hardly know what to say. Thanks, I guess. You done me a service. Hey, look, the stage company's gonna write this off as a robbery anyway. If you can get in that lockbox, you can take what you want from it. It ain't stealing if it's already stolen.
Got that right.
O Trisco. Interessante. Aham. Opa, o que é isso aqui? Uma missão secundária aqui também.
What's the problem?
Qual o problema?
Ah, there's no problem.
Não tem problema.
Contrary, well, there
Muito
is
pelo
a problem.
contrário.
For me, but not for you.
All right.
Tá bom, não
I ain't
tem
got
tempo
time.
pra isso.
No, wait. Give me a minute of
Mas
your
espera.
life. I might just change it forever.
Talvez não.
I'm sure you will have heard of me.
Estou certo que já ouvi falar de mim.
Cristóbal
Sou Máximo
Valdespino,
Cristóbal
the renowned
Valdespino. Máximo explorador.
There has been
Não,
much
nunca ouvi.
written about
Muito.
me.
Já se escreveu
I
sobre
once
mim.
had high tea with the Viceroy of India.
Vice-rei
I
da
helped
Índia,
liberate
Max.
South America.
Ajudei a libertar
climbed
a América do
mountains
Sul.
And swam across seas. I have had
Já. Andei com muitas
I
mulheres.
spent the last 3 months hunting
Eu passei os
treasure on the
últimos 3
American
meses caçando
frontier.
tesouros na fronteira
Beautiful
americana.
country. Reminds me a lot of Almeria. But
Caçador de
tomorrow I
tesouros.
shall sail for the island of Shikoku in the Japanese archipelago. In
Belo
search
por
of the
japonês.
legendary
Em busca da lendária sáfila de Tokushima.
Well, good for you.
Fico feliz por você.
Hold on. You see this map here?
Não,
It was
espere.
made by
Tá
the
vendo
Jack
esse
Hall
mapa? Ele
gang.
foi feito pela
They
gangue do
robbed
Jack
banks all
Hall.
the way from here
Eles
to
roubavam
California.
bancos daqui
I
até a
know who the
Califórnia.
Jack Hall gang are.
Oh, them you have heard of, but me? Huh. Well, rumor has it they buried gold somewhere in this area, but were killed before they could retrieve it. They created 2 maps to ensure it was well hidden. This is the first and should lead you to the second. You just need to follow the landmarks drawn here.
Mark,
Me?
Yes! Unfortunately,
Yes,
I am
Max
out of
Milo.
time now, but I am prepared to sell it to you for the low price of $10. A trifling investment for a man such as you, given the potential returns.
Cara, roubar.
Well, I'm interested
$10
in the
and
map,
it's
but
yours.
not so interested in the haggle. Why don't you just hand it over instead?
Yes, you're funny.
Listen, give me the map. I'm done asking.
Oh my, here, take it. Just let me be.
No voy a morir por este mapa estúpido.
Explorador 1. Mapa de tesouro adquirido. Eu não tinha $10, cara.
Okay then. Easy, easy.
Eu tive que roubar, não tinha $10.
Easy now. Whoa, easy.
Oh, droga!
Ooh, they gon' thank me for this.
All right.
You think
Hey, easy there, boy. You're next.
curl him up?
Foi acidente.
What the hell are you doing here?
You don't like visitors, huh?
Get out of here now, or I'll make you leave.
What if I like it here?
Ah!
Nossa.
Yep. Whoa, whoa! Yep.
Vamos lá, vamos lá. Hermit Granger.
Don't like the look of it.
É ele mesmo.
Who's this long streak of piss?
Hey, you.
What do you want?
Howdy. You Granger?
Olá, é o Granger.
My name. And my occupation too, if you hadn't noticed.
Weren't always like that, though, were you? Used to be a quick draw guy. You knew Jim Boy Calloway?
Conhecia Jim Boy Calloway.
Then there's a long over.
Há
Who
muito
might you
tempo.
be?
Don't matter. I need you to tell me about Jim Boy. Just a
Sobre Jim
quote
Boy.
for a book.
Eu sou
A book about Jim Boy?
livro sobre Jim Boy.
Shit. I can't talk to you now. Look at me. I'm knee deep in
Olha
hog
pra mim.
crap.
Not me. We can talk while you work.
I ain't talking and shoveling. Besides, a young man like you get it done in half the time.
I don't know about that.
What's to know? You interested in the old days? You shoveled this shit, I tell you some stories. You
Eu te
keep
dou
your
umas
hands clean.
histórias.
I don't give
Senão-
you squat.
God damn it. These better be some stories.
Oh, they are. Pick up the fork and get to work. Or get out of here and stop wasting my time.
All right.
O Arthur vai ter que fazer o serviço pra ele.
Jim Boy weren't nothing, you know. Me? I killed men, women, and children, too. Animals. I even killed rocks. And I killed them good. I shot folks, stabbed folks, skinned folks. I scalped some. Boy, they scream when you scalp them.
Hey, let me work.
Don't know what's got into these hogs, but I know what's coming out of them. I bashed folks, butchered folks. I burned folks alive. Buried folks alive. One time,
Hey, I get it, all right? You're mean. What about Calloway?
Mas
You
eu
have no
falo.
idea, girlie. By a feminine type like you, I'd probably have chopped your head off, stuffed you, and eaten you like a sausage.
No doubt.
That's a sloppy one. Get your back into it, boy. You ain't done. Only pig shit, son. You work shy something, boy? Come on.
Você aí suou na minha cara.
You gotta work for a living. Your mama should have taught you that. Your back's gonna hurt when you're done. Now it's clean enough to eat off.
I guess I'm done.
Get that barrel to the shit pile, and I suppose you is.
Inte där innan. Está bem.
No shortage of shit round here. Comes from
Come here.
hungry hogs and no hands.
Nenhum peão. E o Jim Boy Calloway? Não vai falar nada? Hermit Granger.
That stinks.
Shit, como fede.
Okay, I cleaned up your mess. Go on.
Eu limpei
Tell me
suas sujas.
about
Agora
Calloway.
vamos me conte sobre o
I said
Calloway.
I'd tell you stories. I didn't
Disse
say
que ia
they'd be
te
about
contar.
him.
Don't
Não disse que
trifle
seria.
with me, old man.
Não brinque comigo,
You know,
velhote.
just give me something, anything.
You making
Será
a book,
algo,
you should
qualquer
make it
coisa.
about me.
They're just words, is all. Give me something
Palavras,
to
só
say
isso.
and I'll leave you alone. You
É
owe
uma
me
situação
that.
de deixar em...
You be careful.
Ei, toma cuidado.
Killer like me, it don't take much to end up on the end of my knife.
Não leve muito pra morrer na minha
What?
mão.
I don't think you were
Ei,
anything at
acho que
all,
você não é
Mr. Crazy
uma
old
coisa
man.
alguma. Sou um velho louco.
Well, you'd already be hog feed. I hadn't made a deal with the Federals. Got
Se
this
eu não
far.
tivesse
This
feito...
is your
se
last
fosse-
chance,
Essa é a última
Mr.
chance, Sr.
Granger.
Granger.
Give me a quote for the book.
Dá uma citação para o livro. Não quer...
Calloway said you was full of piss, but he didn't tell me the half of it.
I'm itching to drop you, girlie. Only you ain't worth my time. I got too much to lose.
Too much to lose?
Muito a perder.
Seeing as I cleaned up this pigsty,
Eu limpei este lugar. Acho que é meu direito ir em frente e acabar com ele.
You don't want to do that? You walk away right now.
Vai embora agora mesmo. Ora,
All I
ora.
wanted was a quote.
You don't know who
Só
you're
queria uma
trifling with.
citação.
That's my stick.
Nossa.
Walk away right now. Don't do it.
Vai jogar de nome na costa. Pronto. Aí sim, hein?
No. No.
Não, não.
No. You didn't know.
Uou!
You just took yourself a regular shit shower, Mr. Granger. Boy, that's real nasty.
You earned yourself a killing. And I'm gonna enjoy it now. Draw. It's gonna be the last thing you do.
Vamos registrar isso aqui. Ó, revólver de Mirante Horseshoe. Gaita? Pra que serve essa gaita? Esse revólver de Mirante Horseshoe vai fazer bem. Da hora, é o revólver dele.
You're all right, boy. Yeah. Easy. Whoa.
Vamos ver aqui mapas.
Come on, boy. Yeah. Who goes there? It's me. Slow it up.
Hello, Arthur.
E aí, Oséia?
Hey.
Still reading?
I've taken a break. But yes, I plan to keep reading.
Is it, fun?
It's amazing. It's the reason we're living. It's the only thing that makes me happy.
You stalking me too, Arthur?
You getting crazy, Dutch?
I've always been crazy, Arthur.
Quem que é esse aqui?
Ah, Lenny.
Hello?
Mr. Morgan. Mr. Morgan.
Reverend?
I just want to thank you for saving my life. The liquor is not my friend, Mr. Morgan.
Bebida não é minha amiga, senhor. Realmente não.
I make such a fool of myself.
Don't worry about it.
You're a fine man.
Now, lying on the other hand, that really is a sin. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Arthur?
Hello, sirs.
How are you?
Vamos ver o Dutch de novo.
Can I get some room here?
Big old Dutch Vanderland.
What's got into you?
I part love you and I part hate
done
you.
with you. Damn child!
Gentlemen.
Hey.
Tá isso nessa carta.
How you feeling? Oh, I've been...
Poema da mole. Eu era menina até você me chamar. Cruzar o mar, assim ordenou. Nunca mais me resta. De tudo. Livre, ainda jovem, livre do seu amor, moço. Até que você me chamou. Forte, alto, sortudo, coisa. O pulsar do meu coração, você roubou, nada mais me resta. Deixe-me tudo que puder. Tentadores lábios, setor, olhar, coisa. Até você. Sangue suco, sois. Sentado em solidão, só me resta rabiscar. Essa tarde não acabou ela, menina, até você me chamar. Nada mais me resta. Te dei tudo que podia dar. Solicitação de amizade. Às vezes os campeões solicitam ajuda.
The thing is that it isn't. Well, what's the plan? I mean, after Blackwater, we don't want any more deaths.
O caso do alemão encanador. Sei lá, onde?
Two-bit huckster, Hosea. I'm willing to die for this, if that is what it takes. But right now, I need to be left alone by all the second guessers.
As you wish, my friend.
Acho que eu vou trazer desse na próxima parte. O que é isso?
Good to see you.
Carta do pai do Lenny. Meu caro Leonard, faz não mais que 3 dias você e sua mãe encontravam-se na Prata Bartol. Eu já nem se cumprir a escrever como você estava bonito. Você deve aprender com a cidade jovem e aprender bem. A verdade é que um homem da minha educação acha mais fácil escrever do que falar, até para seu filho. Imagino que isso não seja fácil para um menino compreender. De certa forma, espero que você não entenda. Isso é uma verdade, sei que muitas vezes tutor você, mas não, pai para você, mas não deixa seus sermões sobre o seu futuro coisa advogado convencer de que eu vejo mais uma pupila nos filhos. Contudo, essa breve distância me dá liberdade de dizer que você te mais do que sabe. Eu tenho suportar. Espera que o quintal esteja sem neve quando eu voltar. E entendo coisa para você, mas é preciso que aprenda a se acomodar com seus trabalhos, mesmo que braçais. Mesmo que braçais. Leia esta em carta de sua mãe, não estiver escrito, não seja, não diga nem coisa, para tudo sempre seu amoroso pai.
Evening, Arthur.
Essa é do meu. Certificado de dispensa do exército. Certificados que o Leon Wilson foi dispensado por decisão do Serviço Militar dos Estados Unidos por tentativa de homicídio. De 1892. Oficial responsável Coronel Harold. Coisa.
Are you well, Mr. Morgan?
Well, I'm alive, Miss Grimshaw.
These girls, Mr. Morgan, they're driving me to despair.
Why?
No gratitude. And no manners. This younger generation, it saddens me. The world is ruined.
All right, well, I should be getting on. Sadie?
I should just go to sleep.
Real shame about them calendar boys, I reckon.
Sure.
Oh, Bill.
You know, I once saw Mac beat up 15 sailors.
That ain't nothing. Everybody knows them Navy boys can't fight.
Save your legs. You'll
That's
need
why
'em.
they float.
Oh, that's so.
Sure. That ain't nothing. I once beat up 20.
Okay.
But, I'm gonna miss Mac. He was a good man. Kind of fellow you like to rob alongside. You know?
Hi, folks.
Hello. Evening, Mr. Morgan.
Don't give up.
I'm just not strong enough.
I think you are. Okay, well, let's talk more later.
I can't.
All right?
Yep.
You okay?
Hey, y'all.
Hiya.
Is the boy behaving himself?
For the most part.
You're annoying me.
Don't, Arthur, come on.
John? Arthur. There he is.
Ah, vamos dormir. De manhã.
Yes.
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Kieran.
Morning, Arthur.
I said hello?
Hello?
I'm only kidding around.
I'm glad tormenting me amuses you so much.
Get the hell up.
What do you want?
Ah, it's nothing.
I need sleep.
Hey, get up. I've forgotten what it was now.
Oh. What is it?
Hey.
What, Arthur? I gotta sleep, Arthur. I'm going back to sleep.
Susan!
Hello?
Vamos colocar outra roupa no Arthur.
Good morning.
Traje. Ah, tá para armazenar no cavalo, ó.
Good morning, Arthur.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do. Sorry there, Dutch.
Dutch.
Give me some room. What are you trying to prove here? Have you forgotten who's in charge here? You need to get your head right.
Oh, sorry, Dutch. Always good to see you.
Arthur?
Swan.
At least say it like you're pretending to like me.
Hello, Arthur?
I'm only joking with you.
Oh, I know this stupid game all too well.
Well, I should get back to it.
We'll see you later.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hey there. Why don't you sit, Arthur?
Come on. You can do better than that.
You're as full of wind as a horse with collar.
Take it easy. I ain't serious.
You ain't right in the head.
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Uh-huh.
There he is. The camp pig.
Hey, what did I do?
No wonder we're always short of food.
Is this meant to be funny?
Take it easy. I'm just needling you.
Well, good then. I think.
Arthur.
Voltar pra jogar dominó.
Oh, there you are.
Sure.
It was here. He had it all the time. Mr. Miller. He'll never let you down. It's so simple. Even you'd get it, Arthur.
Well, thank you.
What matters? What's always mattered?
Surviving.
The result, not the means, which I guess is sort of the same thing. We'll survive. We'll keep moving forward. Maybe we'll leave the West far behind.
And do what?
Give it time. Look at the birds. Look at the beasts. Copy what the best ones do.
Okay, well, let's talk more later.
All right, then.
Miller. O Altante gosta dos livros do Miller.
Morning.
Why are you pacing around? Just sit.
Hi.
Acampamento, agora tá.
Is betrayal because it means I work so you don't have to. That's not right, Missy. I just not know. You're right, not Missy.
How about we take a little walk later? Just you and me.
We'll see. Perhaps.
I wish you'd stayed at sea.
Look, it wasn't funny the first time.
My lady.
Morning, Arthur.
You gonna get up? What's going on? Good morning.
Good morning, Arthur.
The thing is, John,
O Reverendo Miller, Inferno Americano.
I know that. I, of all people, know that. Excuse me? We all want to die, but you got the chance.
O Reverendo Miller.
Not just to live for love.
I got no goddamn clue what you're on about, Hosea.
You're not as dumb as you act, John Marston.
I don't understand.
Be a man, John.
Ladies?
Hi there.
Hello.
Abigail.
Morning, Arthur.
Kieran.
Good morning.
Vamos ver o que é essa atividade.
Could use a slug of whiskey in this.
Maybe after lunch, hey?
wrong with you, Arthur?
How'd you mean?
You're hanging around camp like a bad smell. You used to be a man of action.
Ô louco, tá dando uma colher de chá em mim.
Hi, Arthur.
O trabalho é Dutch. Legal, tá pra fazer essas atividades no acampamento.
Miss Roberts.
Hello.
John, you want to sit?
Morning, Arthur.
Aumenta minha honra, eu sei.
Come on, Arthur. Stop daydreaming. I need that man of action back.
Sure.
Thank you. Now get out of here and do something.
All right, well, I should be getting on.
All right, Arthur.
Any of you up for dominoes?
Hey, why not?
Hosea.
I'm watching you like a hawk, Matthews.
What are you insinuating? I am a man of honor.
You're a con man.
pretty hard to cheat at dominoes.
You can cheat at anything.
Well, that might be the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me.
How's it going? Good.
Legal esses jogos, jogos. Isso aqui, galera, é nosso.
Nothing passed.
No, I'll have to pass. Let's hope the
Yep,
Pinkertons don't catch us like this, Arthur. Dang, here you go. Bessie and I would play this for hours back in the day.
I remember.
Bessie.
I think she might have even taught me to play.
You know, you might be right. A lifetime ago.
Sure feels like it. I was thinking the same thing.
Nothing for me. Pass. No, I'll have to pass.
Ganhei!
Domino, I believe. Yes.
Ah.
You can have this for what it's worth.
Dominó pra jogar em 4 era.
Nothing for me. No, I'll have to pass. Nothing for me.
Nah. Pass.
No, I'll have to pass.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Not much for you here.
O Zé tá perdendo.
So,
Pass.
no, not me. Okay.
Nothing for me.
Okay. Pass me.
Not complaining.
Ganhou, filho da mãe.
You can have this for what it's worth.
I'll pass. Nah.
Pass.
That's as it should be. Come here.
Ganhei.
Drats. Guess this is for you.
Yes!
Yes!
Oh, that's gotta hurt. Mr. Pearson.
I trust you're done hassling now.
I live to see another day.
There's scrolls na nota aqui.
Hello.
You okay?
Just what did you say to me?
Well, I didn't do it.
I heard that.
Oh, heard what, you crazy fool?
I heard everything you said.
I was sleeping, you lunatic.
Don't make me angry.
Quem bebe mal de eu ou o Swanson?
You start howling at some other moon? Like this one?
I'm watching you.
Whatever you say.
Morning to you.
Hello.
Arthur?
Hello, ladies. Hey there.
Hello.
Vamos atrás daquela lunática lá depois.
Hey, Arthur.
Lenny, all good here?
All fine.
Good. Stay alert.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
All right, Arthur.
Careful now, Lenny.
Vou fazer uma coisa antes de acabar essa live, galera, vocês vão ver.
Let's go, boy.
O que aconteceu aqui?
Yep. Don't talk to me.
Just go on and yap at somebody else, little dog.
Oh, I said don't talk to me.
You want me to put a bullet in your skull?
Why exactly are you still talking? Yeah. Come on. Easy. Whoa, whoa.
Ai, ai. Ai, ai.
Hey.
Morning, Arthur.
There he is.
Galera, eu acho que eu vou desligar já deu mais 2h30 aqui de live quase. Ah, os outros. Caralho. Mano. De novo?
Hey, get up.
You're interrupting my beauty rest. You'd be well advised to stay out of my way.
Morning to you.
Yes, Arthur?
How are you?
O Dante no tempo livre ele lê esses livros, né?
Oh, hey, Dutch.
Molly, my dear. A bit of space here would be nice. Who do you think you are?
Big old Dutch Vanderland.
That's enough now. Ungrateful bastard. So, how is everything?
Not so good?
Negativity? Oh, it's all in the mind.
Hello.
You okay?
Vamos.
Hey, all good out here?
I think so, but...
Yep.
Good morning.
Hey, what's with the holler?
Please help me! Oh, I got bit. Oh, God. Oh, I need medicine or a siphon. Oh, oh, oh.
All right, all right. Quit moaning.
Christ. Oh, oh, God.
Let's keep this between us.
Oh, you saved my life. I owe you.
Got that right.
I do. Oh. Now, I gotta get out of here. Oh, God. Don't much like it around here no more.
Glad I could help. Keep your eyes on the ground, huh?
Yeah.
Easy. Easy, easy.
Fato real.
Giddy up.
Whoa.
Ah, vou pegar a pele desse raposo.
Easy, boy. Gotta be done. Easy there. Yeah. Easy. So,
Vamos lá. Garrafa incendiária. Da hora, eu não sabia que podia fazer isso. É, galera, eu já vou acabar a live aqui. Umas quase 3 horas já. Galera, eu vou nessa. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. Vou desligar a live aqui agora. Que já faz tempo que eu tô jogando. Não se esqueça de compartilhar o vídeo.